What's up, everyone? I'm the talking head known as Big Hush right now. First of all, thank you so much for your support. Thank you for any videos you've watched, any videos you've liked and shared. I can't tell you how much I appreciate that. But I've got a big announcement here for all of you mask makers out there. If you've ever wanted to make the masks that you see on my channel, the ones that I do, I now have a reference guide. Now, this is a physical copy. I don't sell it as a physical copy. I sell the PDF on my Etsy shop. It's only $7. But you can either download it and use it digitally, or you can print it off yourself. I went to the local copy corner place and printed this one for $15. But I needed a physical copy to actually show you what it is. It's high quality photos of all the masks you've seen me make using the cheap made in China style blanks. This doesn't include the JDF Studio blanks or any fiberglass masks or the Spirit Halloween stuff. None of those. But almost all of the masks that you've seen on my channel are in this reference guide. And I made this because if you're a mask maker, you kind of know how frustrating it is if you're trying to make one that exists already, to get a nice clean reference photo. You know, in my case, it happened or happens almost every time I try to make a mask from one of the films, because, you know, in the movies, it's dark, it's raining, everything's moving. It's usually pretty tough to get a really clean, straight on shot of the mask to know exactly what you need to do with it. And so I was hoping, since a lot of you seem to enjoy making the masks that I've made on my channel, which makes me very, very proud, by the way, and I encourage it, and I love it, I thought it would be helpful to you to have a reference guide so that you could easily pull up a picture of whichever mask you want to make and stare at it while you work on your design. And, you know, get it as close as you can if you want to, or get a nice clean shot of it to know what you don't want to do, what you want to avoid, that I did. Either way, I just want this to be a helpful resource for you, and it's only $7 in my Etsy shop. And like I said, you download it, you can get an instant PDF download so you can have it on your phone, on your desktop, wherever you want to use it to reference. Or if you so choose, you can print that sucker off and have a physical copy as well. I would love to make physical copies and sell them. It's just they're pretty expensive and I don't know if the demand is there yet. So if you guys tell me, hey, we're not going to buy them unless you make physical copies, that will certainly change my priorities and make me do something else. Also, another announcement is I now have channel memberships. That's something I didn't have before. It's only a couple bucks a month. I hope you'll sign up and become a channel member. With that, you're going to get badges, you're going to get exclusive emojis, and you get behind the scenes footage and early screenings of all my mask videos and any other videos that I choose to give you advanced screening on. But you get some really cool benefits with that. It's super cheap, and your financial support will help support this channel, help me get more masks, more equipment to film videos, and really further the creative efforts that I'm trying to make here on this channel. Like I said, it's only a couple bucks a month, so I hope you can spare it, and I'd really appreciate it if you do. If not, that's cool too. I totally understand. But I do ask that you please go get yourself a Big Hush mask reference guide. 83 masks, and I didn't realize until just now that the last sunset mask is actually in here twice. So when you find that error, please don't point it out to me. I already know, and I just now discovered it. Oops, my bad. That's all I've got for now. I hope this will be helpful to you. I hope you'll get yourself a reference guide, and I hope you'll sign up as a channel member. I would really, really appreciate that. Other than that, I just hope everything's great in your world right now, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.